Hey guys, how you doing? To be honest, I have been better. Been worse, but I've been better. This has been the week from hell. If it could go wrong, it went wrong. Marlene and I've been canning and dehydrating and just all kind of crap, making frozen dinners, just a bunch of stuff. I'm kind of tired, but I've been making videos of all that, right? 138-minute video that I couldn't figure out where to cut. I finally found I finally found a place to cut it, you know, and so I got on my little film or go cutting thing, and I did both. I was so proud of myself. Turns out I saved the wrong parts, so I have two videos. It's 15 minutes of nothing but black screen. Hey, remember when I told you that the fiasco at the grocery store, the bank, or the internet went down, blah blah blah, money, blah blah blah. It only got better from there. Let's see. So we went to Walmart. Oh hell, I don't even know. Anyway, there was another thing going on at Walmart. I can't remember what it is right now. And then, let's see what. Then, what was it? What was it, Silas? I can't remember. Ugh. Do you know, Molly? Do you know what I was going to say? No? Okay, I'm sorry. No, I'm busy. I can't. No. Okay, good boy. What was it? Oh my God, how could I forget that? Okay. Get a letter from Progressive. Insurance. Your final bill. And I go, what do you mean final bill? And it got, they had canceled my policy for non-payment. And I called, I said, what the hell do you mean non-payment? I have it on automatic payment every month. That shouldn't be right. Well, they said, well, your last payment was in May. And I said, yes, I understand that. I said, but I got on the phone with you guys and gave you the new card because apparently my old card had expired and I didn't realize it. So I won't bore you with the details, but $188 later, after paying her to get all squared away that I thought, I'm just about ready to hang up, and I asked her a question, and I said, you know, so I don't have to make a payment until August 30th, and I'm good to go, nothing's wrong, insurance is fine. She says, oh no, you don't have insurance. I go, what do you mean? What do you mean? I just got through paying you $188. And she said, well, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I'll show you a mistake. So she said, that'll be $97 to reinstate your insurance. I go, are you shitting me? And I did say that. She was very, very nice about it, but I was about to lose my mind. And I said, I just got through paying you almost $200 and you want $97 more. I said, can I wait until payday? And she says, yeah, you can wait till payday. You've got 90 days until we change your policy. And I said, so are you telling me you'll extend my insurance for a couple days? Oh no, you just have that much time to, fix it. I said, okay. I said, I'm going to have to think about it. Well, I'm talking to Bob and Marlene and said, I'm just going to go to the general. So I called the general, and it was more than Progressive and less coverage. So I said, crap. So I sucked it up and went ahead and called the Progressive back, and a few days later, and they said that, now to reinstate it, it's $114. I go, whoa, wait a minute, why? I was quoted a price of $97. So he said, well, it's only $15, $16 more. And I said, that $15, $16 more will buy a week's worth of groceries for me. I said, I pulled the, I'm on Social Security crap. And it didn't even faze the guy. Didn't even faze him. But anyway, I did get that straightened out, and I got a better price. They got me down to $95. I was happy with that. So $300 I spend for insurance. They said, well, we ran your card and the bank denied it. I go, did you have my right card number? And they wouldn't answer me on that one, because I'm thinking maybe when I gave them the new information, they put the old information right back, So I feel that it wasn't my fault. Anyway, that happened. Then the mother happened, okay? My van. All that work I had done, all that work, $1,000 worth of work. It was still smelling. And now I was starting to hear noises again. So Marlene says, why don't you take it to Mo? He works on, he works on a lot of cars. He knows what he's doing. So I took it down to Mo. And I told him what was going on, and he said, well, your calipers, he ended up saying, well, your calipers are locked up. And I go, how could that be? They just put new calipers on. He said, no, there's no new calipers on your van. I was charged $174 for per each for 2 calipers, okay, for my front. Neither one of them were new. They were used. I was told I was getting new. And then there's a couple other things they said they did, but they didn't do. So he said, well, he said, well, I'll get in there, and it might be your brake line, it might be this, it might be that. And I'm thinking, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. God. So, he says, I think I can do everything for $75. I go, oh, okay. He says, is that too much? I go, no. So he said, well, let me actually look, and we'll get in there and we'll find out that it might change, blah, blah, blah. So I said, you do what you have to do and fix the thing, okay? You know, I trust you. He works on all the police cars in town, so, you know, and all the bigwigs cars too. So, went, oh, has this been 22 minutes? No. So, he gets it fixed. He explains everything. He said, now do you want to know how much it cost? I had given him $100 to go get the parts, okay? So he writes it down on the piece of paper. And I go, oh, God. And he says, you might want to sit down. I go, oh, God. And Marlene says, yeah, sit down, sis. Sit down. So I'm sitting there, and I'm in my head, I'm thinking, holy blank, 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 blank. How am I going to do this, right? So I look at the thing, and it says $145. Oh. So in a matter of and there was an $85 deal in there that I'm not going to explain. So in the last week, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, $600 just poof right out of my account. And that, my friends, is the end of my stimulus money. I have depleted I have depleted all my stimulus from the great government. And so it's a little bit of a shock to me because I've had stuff in reserve. I've been real good about saving and stuff. So I did let go when I was at Tommy's house. Hey. Yeah. I did let go a little bit and spend some money there because I thought, I'm going to be here. Well, that didn't work out as planned. I'll discuss that in another video. But, so now I got to get back to oh, you don't need that, you know. You don't need that large Frosty. Not that I ever get large. I usually get those small because I can't eat them all. Anyway, that's what's been going on. I'm going to try and get the rest of the videos if I don't block them out. We have gone through so much stuff. I got to make a list and tell you what all we've done. I can't even think anymore. So anyway, you guys take it easy. Take the long way home. I'm okay. See you later.